This is where the future of global energy is heading. Index and Litro don't replace the oil market, they modernize it. And crude oil is only the beginning. The platform will expand into carbon and eventually multiple energy models, giving global markets a digital layer for accessing, trading, and settling real-world energy assets. And there is an even bigger shift coming. Litro will not only revolutionize energy trading, it will also transform peer-to-peer and cross-border payments. A person with a Litro digital wallet in London will be able to send money instantly to a relative in Pakistan or the Philippines. This becomes possible because Litro will be fully convertible to major global currencies, including USD, Euro, YUAN, Yen, and AED. Just like the internet opened access to information and blockchain opened access to finance, Index and Litro open access to energy, and now to global value transfer. Real oil, real value, digitally delivered, and soon, much more than just oil.